Good morning, student. So in today's class we will be doing chapter 16, and that is your position words and position word which comes in preposition. So all of you just take it out page 40, page 40, and get ready with your chapter 16. So before I start, I want to give the definition of preposition. That is, a preposition is a word that shows a relation before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, children, is it clear? A preposition, I will repeat it. A preposition is a word that shows a relation with a noun or a pronoun. So I have given some examples. Before I begin the exercises, which is given in the book, I would like to explain you with some few examples. Okay, children? So all of you just look at the board. I have written the ball is in the box. So you try to understand, okay, that what the sentence has been saying. In preposition, we have to keep in mind that the word which is given, like suppose I am in, on, above, under, between, with, after. These are the words of preposition, and how we gonna use it, we have to understand it. So I will explain you that the ball is in the box. That means sentence is trying to say that the ball is in the box. You see, all of you just see it, that the ball is in the box. So we have used the preposition in, and we have used before a noun. Okay, your preposition will come before a noun or a pronoun. So this way, one preposition is given and the next preposition you see on. The ball is on the box. That means your ball is the object and it is on the box. It is on the box. Box is given, and on the box, ball is placed. That means here you have to use the preposition that is on. Now number third sentence you see, the ball is above the box. That means the ball is above, gap is there, here. That means the ball is above the box. So third preposition we got it, that is above, A-B-O-V-E, above. Now the fifth sentence you see, the ball is under the box. That means ball will be under, box will be up, and below, under the ball is placed, So this is the fourth preposition, the fourth word you get from preposition. Now the fifth sentence you see, the ball is between the boxes. That means the word between of preposition, you can see that the box, two boxes are there, okay, and the ball is placed in between the two boxes. Ball is placed between the two boxes, okay. So this way we will use the word preposition when the word is given between, okay. Now the sixth sentence you see, the ball is kept with the bat. That means the ball is kept with the bat. Both these objects, both these things are kept together, So ball is kept with the bat. Now the last sentence you see, the ball is after the box. That means the word after means after the ball, this ball is following what? These boxes. So the ball is after the box. The ball is after the box. So this way we have got some few examples of prepositions, And now we will move on to our exercise that is given in the book. So all of you just see number one sentence. This is given. The boy kicked the ball with his foot. So here the boy is your subject and he kicked kick the ball. No? So the ball will be the object. So with the help of foot, he kicked the ball. So the boy kicked the ball with his foot. And your second sentence you see, the girl gave a rose to her teacher. So here the girl, who is the subject, is giving a rose, object, to her teacher. No, to a person, to a teacher. She is giving a rose to her teacher. So here to is your preposition. Third sentence you see, the duck is swimming in the water. In, you got the word in. I had explained that in will be inside. Like in example you saw that ball is in the box. Same way, now the duck will be object, subject. The duck will be in the water. Now the fourth sentence you see, the cat ran after the rat. That means the cat is running after rat. No? So cat is, we can say the cat is behind, or he is running after the rat. Fifth sentence you see, the child is standing between his parents. Here the between, like I had explained you that between will come in between two objects. The object will come between two things. No, here two boxes were there. Same way here parents is given. No, so the boy will, the child is standing between his parents. Okay, so this way you have got 5 preposition. No, 5 preposition we have got, and for today's class till here we will do, and in next class I will be continuing with same chapter. Okay children, thank you.